Alan is get tank trucks. He is the blue engine. He is number 25. And he 55 speed. He back up and continue driving. He see all line tracks and go driving. He got a wrong track and get a crash. And he got shot. Oh no, Alan said. Peter Sam will get blue trucks. Where we go in blue trucks said. Backward Peter Sam said. He's still back up to times. And continue driving. We going this way Peter Sam said. Okay Peter Sam blue trucks said. He start going wrong track. Are we sure this is it? Blue truck said. Yes blue truck Peter Sam said. This is scary Peter Sam said. I hope blue truck said. We going wrong way. And he going crash. To see Alan with tank trucks and starting slipping. Help me Peter Sam said. Billy should help at Brendam Docks. The Brendam Docks is still right to Billy. Okay Billy said. He go and get Brendam Docks. He got wrong way. Oh no Billy said. Oh no Billy said. I fell if Billy said. So we go back. The track switched and driving backwards. Then he forgot something. Hold on, I forgot something, Whiff said. He go back and get troublesome trucks. He's getting faster. He get troublesome trucks and go backwards driving. The trucks push him to faster. Stop pushing me, Whiff said. The trucks didn't care and still pushing. Whiff didn't stop and use his brakes to stop. The tracks is too slippery. He used his brakes again. He going up and his brakes didn't stop. The trucks pushing them more and he laughed. Stop pushing me, trucks, I cannot stop, Whiff said. Help me, I cannot stop, Whiff said. But he almost stopped. And the truck's tired to pushing. He used his brakes and stopped. The troublesome trucks won't pushing him again. He go the wrong track and there's Thomas the tank engine. Hey, someone pushing me, Thomas said. Thomas, don't worry, I will stop, Whiff said. He cannot stop, the tracks look slippery. I can't stop. What should I do? Whiff said. Use your brakes, Thomas said. He stopped, but IT was too late. Whiff shocked what happened to Thomas. The dark engine was pulling something. It was Sir Handel. The tracks are bumping, but he can't stop, but it was too late. Help, Sir Handel said. Peter Sam back up and started driving. He saw Sir Handel and he can't stop. Ouch, Peter Sam said. Help, Gordon said. He broke crate and he fell on the water. Oh no, why I'm still bumping, Scarlet said. He shut his eyes, but it was too late. He slid and crashed too muddy. I help, Thomas said. I can't stop, Percy said. He shut his eyes and... Oh no, Edward said. Oh no, James said. Duck said, watch out. Donald shouted and it was too late. Thank you for watching Accident Trains.